What's up, guys? Time for another true review. Got a new box to open today. Charuto Tobacco Vanille. Let's see how that goes. All right, stick with me, folks. Pretty simple box. Not a whole lot going on there. Really highly rated on TikTok, so we'll see how this stuff goes. Let's see. Hey, it ain't a bad looking bottle, to be honest with you. See if you guys are picking that up. Sorry about that. Kind of new to this. Kind of got the Tom Ford feel, but let's see. Solid cap. All right. Atomizer. Not bad. Okay. What does that smell? Man, there's something in there that smells like damn near Christmas or something. I want to say like cinnamon. Kind of the vanilla, obviously, tobacco. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it, to be honest with you. It smells good. It doesn't smell like bad or anything. It's just kind of gave me a weird Christmassy vibe for a second. I don't know. Cool looking bottle. I think it's a pretty good looking bottle. Good cap. Hard to put on and off. As you can see, it's just kind of smoky glass. Heavy. One more smell. Let's take a whiff. It is pretty good. I'm going to have to look at the notes and see what it is that's in there that's making me think Christmas time or there's something about it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's definitely one for the collection. You know, pretty popular on TikTok, so we'll see how it goes. You guys have a good one.